Have you ever wondered how to make money online through freelancing? Is the idea of working from your desired location at your own pace and on your own terms appealing to you? If so, you're in the right place. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the fascinating world of freelancing, a realm where individuals like you and me can turn our skills, talents, and passions into a source of income, all from the comfort of our homes. So how does one start this journey? First things first, identify your skill set. Dive deep into your passions, hobbies, and experiences. What are you really good at? Is it writing, graphic design, teaching, or maybe coding? The beauty of the online space is that there is a demand for almost every skill you can think of. Once you have a clear understanding of your skills, it's time to do some market research. This involves identifying who needs your services, what they are willing to pay, and where you can find them. Popular platforms to find freelance work include Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer. These platforms host a wide variety of jobs across multiple industries. Next, it's time to create a compelling portfolio. This is your chance to showcase your skills and demonstrate your value to potential clients. Ensure you include your best work samples, past experiences, and positive testimonials if any. Remember, first impressions count, and in the online world, your portfolio is your first impression. Now, with your portfolio ready, you'll want to start bidding on projects or jobs that match your skill set. Be patient, as it might take some time to land your first job. Persistence is key here. Keep refining your proposals and don't get disheartened if you don't see immediate success. Once you've secured your first job, deliver your best work. This is your chance to make a positive impression and potentially secure long-term work. Always remember, quality over quantity. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to starting your journey in the freelancing world. Now you might be wondering, is it all roses and rainbows? Well, freelancing does come with its own set of challenges. There might be times of uncertainty, fluctuating income, and the need to constantly market yourself. But the freedom, flexibility, and potential for growth often outweigh these challenges. It's a journey worth embarking on, a journey of self-discovery, resilience, and financial independence. So what's stopping you? Today could be the day you take that first step towards your freelancing journey. Make your skills work for you. Transform your passion into profit. Start your online freelancing journey today. The world is waiting for your talent.